What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I'm gonna share with you guys one more product from Be Quiet. Now Be Quiet was nice enough to send one of their Be Quiet Pure Power 11 FM 750 watt 80 plus gold rated power supply. Now this power supply goes for around $114. Now I know that's kind of expensive for most of you guys out there. Now if you're planning on going with the expensive graphics card like Nvidia RTX 3080 or RTX 3090 or AMD RX 6800 or RX 6900 XT, then you should definitely go with a quality power supply. Cause if you go with a cheaper power supply and your power supply goes bad, then most likely will take down maybe your motherboard, your CPU or graphics card. So please go with a quality power supply. Now I personally like gold rated power supply. Like most of my system have gold rated power supply except my $500 budget gaming PC right here. I have a 80 plus bronze power supply. But if you're planning on building a high-end gaming or workstation based PC, please go with a good quality power supply. Now today real quick I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this power supply comes with. Now let me give you guys quick specs rundown. You guys can see front of the box right here. The box is heavy, and let me just read you guys specs. So this power supply does come with 5-year warranty. It does come with 2 12-volt rail. Okay, so the first 12-volt rail have 36 amp and the second 12-volt rail have 32 amp. The max combined power 750 watt. Alright, so I know you guys may be wondering why I'm wearing a different color or design t-shirt right now, because I was sweating so bad and I couldn't turn on my AC because my AC is really loud. That's why I'm wearing a different t-shirt. So now you got your answer. Alright, so let me do the quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this power supply comes with. Alright, so here we have the power supply, and wow, this power supply is heavy. Alright, heavy is good. So as you guys can see the power supply right here, this power supply does come with a 120mm Be Quiet silent fan. The color is flat black, really nice. On this side you got all your cables, modular ports, so you can actually use the cables you really need for your system. You don't need to plug extra cables here, and definitely great for cable management. Alright, on this side we have Be Quiet logo, and on this side we have the exhaust ventilation and on and off switch and 3-pin power connection here, and that's about it. Really nice power supply. It's a full ATX power supply. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have a user manual here. Pure Power 11 FM also offer 650 watt power supply and 550 watt power supply. So if you don't need a 750 watt, then you can pick these other two. We have 4 screws here. Don't need that. And here we have all the cables. So let me move this box. Alright, let me just start with the 24-pin motherboard main plug right here. Okay, braided. And let me show you guys how long is this cable. Okay, this cable is pretty long. Alright, and then we have the power cable here. I believe this cable is 18 gauge. Seems like a good quality power cable. Okay, and the power cable is long. Yes, definitely. Okay, and here we have the CPU 8-pin power plug. So let's see how long is the cable. Okay, same length, a little longer than the 24-pin cable. All right, and we should have one more CPU 8-pin plug. So here we have one more cable right here for CPU. Okay, so you get two 8-pin plug. Not bad. And here we have SATA and the Molex cables. So basically this power supply comes with 12 SATA plugs and 2 Molex plugs. So let me show you guys one cable length. Should be same for all. So you guys can see, pretty long. All right, now here we have two PCIe cables for your graphics card. Comes with two 6+2 plugs, so you get two 8-pin plugs. Okay, so if you have the latest and greatest 3000 series RTX graphics card, you can use both of these cables. Okay, and I believe those card does come with the adapter. Right, let me show you guys the cable length. Yeah, this one is long enough, same length as the motherboard 24-pin cable. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think. I know in today's video I'm not going to show you guys how well this power supply perform, but I will use this power supply in one of my upcoming build video. So then I'll show you guys how this power supply actually perform.